What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a length check, a rice water length check video for you guys. I've been doing good at updating you on how many inches my hair have grown, if it didn't grow. I have been updating you guys, so this week I'm going to update you once again, so stay tuned. And welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Guess what? Your girl is on point this week. I actually recorded a video on Monday like I said I would. This is not pre-recorded. I'm actually recording this video on Monday. So here I am about to do my length check. This is how my hair is looking after wash day, which was yesterday. If y'all haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. I'll leave a link in the description down below, so you can check out my wash day routine. My hair feels so great. So today I did not go work like this. Today I actually wore my wig again. Oh my gosh, I'm killing out this wig. But you know, I had enough of the wig. I'm taking a wig break. So my hair is stretched. Y'all know my usual routine. I bring my hair down and then yeah, I leave it air dry. That's my routine. And then the only product that's in my hair right now is the Blue Magic hair conditioner, which is this. That's the only product in my hair right now. I started far away because this one, I having a really bad breakout. I don't know, maybe it's because I eat a little too much cheese, but you know, you can't have dumb bread without cheese. Like, I don't know if y'all know what dumb bread is, but that's a thing, don't it? It's bomb, and you have to have cheese with it. That's like eating Johnny cake without cheese. Like, you gotta put cheese in it. So I think this is probably because of the excess cheese and because I'm a woman. But I'm going to be trying my best not to touch them, not to pop them, because I don't want any more marks on my face, okay? Anyways, so I am about to unravel my hair in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So I am back. My hair is all unraveled. As you can see, it's stretched. It is pretty stretched out. It's looking good. Let me turn around and show you guys the back. And I'm about to do my length check. I already have my tape measure in hand. So we're going to go through this real quick, okay? Okay, time for the front, time for the front. I'm going to leave my previous measurements from my last video in the description if y'all want to see. Because, I mean, I have been doing side by side, but yeah, it's kind of difficult, okay? It takes some time. So if I don't feel like doing a side by side, the previous measurements are in the description, okay? Okay, forgive your girl, forgive your girl. So I'm about to measure the front. And the front is, whoa. What is that? Whoa. The front is 16. Okay, the front is 16. Let's do this side. Yep, this side is 16 too. Put it from the root. Yep, this side is 16. Let's do above my ears. Above my ears is 13. I don't remember what it was before, but I'll find out from the previous video and I'll leave it in the description. So above my ear is 13. Let's do this side. Ah! I'll pull my hair out. Okay. This side is 15. Yeah, this side is 15. Okay, let's do the back. I could tell like the back for sure grew when I pull on it or when I was braiding it down. But I don't know. Let's see. I could be wrong. Okay, so the back is 13. It looks so much longer though. Let's do the other side. Okay, this side is 15. Yep, this side is 15. So far so good, you know. I'm not trying to get waist length or anything, but I just want to put this to the test, whether or not rice water really grows your hair. I just want to see, but so far I realized that my hair is growing a little faster than it normally does, right? And I have noticed that my hair is feeling really thick. Y'all could see it, like, y'all been seeing my hair for a while now, so y'all know like what my hair used to look like before and what it looks like. I always kind of had really thick hair, but now I feel like it's really thicker and it definitely has more volume. And yeah, girl is loving her hair now. I love it. So yeah, so this is it for my length check for this week. I won't be washing my hair with rice water for the next probably 2 weeks. So I'll be doing some hairstyle videos, so stay tuned for that. And I'll be doing some organizing the house videos, so stay tuned for that. I didn't forget, I will be doing some more videos like that. And I have some other videos coming. It's gonna be a surprise, so make sure you watch. And I hope you enjoyed this live check video. I'm trying to keep it short and sweet. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, and have a blessed week. And tomorrow, make sure you make somebody smile. Yes, because I always try to make somebody smile. Yeah. Okay, bye. See you guys Wednesday. See you guys on Wednesday. Bye.